Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Are you aware that it is now mandatory to link your Aadhaar with your PAN? Linking your Aadhaar with your PAN is an important step towards ensuring the smooth processing of your income tax returns. It also serves as a means to establish your identity and prevent tax frauds. We, at Switch to Legal, understand the importance of this process and want to help you with the same. Once the linking process is completed, you will receive a confirmation message on your registered mobile number and email address. Benefits of linking Aadhaar and PAN. Linking your Aadhaar with your PAN has several benefits. Firstly, it simplifies the process of filing your income tax returns. Secondly, it helps prevent fraudulent activities such as using multiple PAN cards by a single individual. Thirdly, it establishes your identity and is useful as a valid proof of identity in various situations. Conclusion. So, don't wait any longer. Link your Aadhaar with your PAN today and enjoy the benefits of a hassle-free income tax filing process. If you face any issues while linking your Aadhaar and PAN cards, do not hesitate to reach out to us. At Switch to Legal, we are always happy to assist you in any way we can. Thank you for your time and attention.